Good morning, everybody. Welcome to, I think it's day 7 on the Cape Raft Trail. Just finished brushing my teeth. But yeah, beautiful morning. Supposed to have some good weather today. Getting ready, packed up inside the bothy there. Everyone is. I think there's about 6 or 7 of us in there. Had a decent day heading to Ling's Hut and then over the Torridon route and then to King Loch Hugh at the campsite there, hopefully, if there's a space available for us. So see the sights and the sounds of the trail today. Hopefully it'll be nice. Looking forward to it. It's going to be a long one, but I'm looking forward to it. So I'll see you guys on the trail. Stay tuned. All right, we made it up to the tarn, basically at the base of the valley. Big Monroes all around us. And we're heading over a Beinn to head out of this valley. It's beautiful. Might have some golden eagles here. Malcolm thinks they are. Maybe. Just coming up to the top of the Beinn now. Back down. So we've got the Torridon mountain range in front of us. Very impressive. We're going to be going around that, walking up it later today. Not over the top, but around it. That's the path. Look how epic is that. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. Look at that. Wow. I'm gonna say, so far, this probably has to be the best part of the trail. So far. Views for miles. Not a soul in sight other than the mates I'm walking with. Just epic. Nothing but rock fields all the way down here. It's quite challenging underfoot. Definitely have to pay attention. There's Malcolm up in front of us going down. Big mountains in the distance, or Monroes in the distance. Alright, made it to Ling's Hut. That's where we're going to take our little first break of the day. It's just 9:59 actually, just dead on 10 o'clock. So it's a good start to the day. I think we've done about 8 miles this morning. So we're going to take a break here. Might have a little snack, a Snickers bar, and then carry on through that beast up there. Oof. It's daunting just looking at it. Anyway, let's take a load off in a minute. All right, just left the bothy, sorry, the hut, across the road. Now we're on the trail, heading up there. They're chatting and talking about if the path is pathless or not, but you can see it going up the hill here, and then it's going to start getting into the climbing, basically getting uphill. So it's 10:45 right now, so hopefully we'll get up and down reasonable amount of time. Slowly making our way up. Big elevation gain today, this part of the trail, from the Ling Hut, 3,200 feet of elevation into King Kinloch. So it's going to be challenging to say the least. But it's 11 o'clock now, or 11:10. Shouldn't be a problem to get down to the campsite. Look at this terrain. That's where I've come from. You can just see the two lads over there sitting down waiting, taking a break. Look how epic this place is. So rugged. Just hills, huge hills everywhere. That's your 360 for you. Magical. And the sun is out. Might go for a swim when I get to the tarn. I'm thinking about it hardcore. It's warm. Just coming up to the tarn now. Should be there shortly, next 15 minutes maybe. You can see a lock-in down there. So much to see. It's just unreal. Just making our way down through some pretty sketchy terrain here. Fallen once, and it's dry conditions, but it's still boggy, still wet underfoot. We've all had a little bit of a tumble. Well, except Mike. I don't think Mike fell. So, oh no, we did fall. So yeah, very challenging. This section was coming off from the tarn, the mountain tarn. Very sketchy. Definitely don't do it in the rain. You will not make it, in my opinion, unless you're skilled. So yeah, we're just making our way, following the contour line of about 400, I think now, and then should push us around this mountain. Still epic though. What an epic! I mean, epic. Walking across a barrack land. Made sight of Kinloch. So making it down there now. It's 4:36. It's been a long day. Just coming in now to Kinloch. Just seeing a sign for it. We're up against the road, walking through this forest. Absolutely shattered. Feet are killing me. I'm out of energy, I'm out of water. But I'm only about 5 minutes away. So, get to the campsite now. Pitch the tent. Get some food on, get some drink, rehydrate. Pitch the tent. I might have said that already. And then we'll do map time. There's a lot to show, a lot to talk about because that was a hell of a day. Whew.
Hello everyone, welcome to map time. So map time for day 7 on the Cape Wrath Trail. So we started here at the Bothy. Pretty much walked this path, which is very easy, simple path, past the lock-in. That's when it starts to climb. So going over the Beinn here, climb, and then on straight up here, which is basically all climbing. Really stunning scenery here, super stunning scenery. Get here, okay, on to the next thing, and then we're here. Right, so made it to the Ling's hut, which we took a break at, and basically took a break because we knew what was coming up. So up. This was pretty not too steep, but took a long time to get up basically. And then all this path here was felt straightforward. It's just rocky terrain, really beautiful scenery the whole way up. Just probably the best scenery you'll see in my opinion on the Cape Wrath. And then coming around to the lock-in, same thing, beautiful scenery, probably the best on the Cape Wrath. Had a swim in the lock-in, which was really nice. Everyone meted up there really that's walking with us, and then we all 5 of us took off from here. Now this part here, super challenging. Some of it's pretty sketchy. I fell about 3 times. Most of us fell, to be honest. It's really sketchy. You can drop down here. One of the groups that came behind us, you can drop down here, said it was a little easier, but if under boggy conditions, that could be even worse because of bog. But here, where we went, super sketchy the whole way here, really much. Yeah, we made it though. No path, just bushwhacking basically. Same thing here, just bushwhacking all the way through here. Bushwhacking. And then finally you hit a path. I think it was here. We hit the path maybe somewhere around here. And then the long descent, which felt like forever, down into Kinloch, where we're camped now in the campsite. Also, make sure you get some pizza when you stop at Kinloch. It's the best. All right, guys, stay tuned for day 8 of the Cape Wrath Trail. And we'll see you then.